You might have seen Android watches with one camera, but this one is special. It has got one camera on the side and a hidden camera. Can you guess where that is? It's at the back. So yes, this watch comes with two cameras inside it. So let's try them out. So let's check the camera application. So currently it is using the rear camera, and as far as I've checked, in the light the camera quality is quite good, but it is not the best in darkness. You can tap here to change the camera and switch to the side camera, and here you can see that even the side camera is quite clear. So currently if I move it towards the light, you can see that it does not add extra exposure on the picture. And if I use the rear camera, so I'm gonna record a video using the rear camera. We will also test out the microphone and the speaker. So now let's go ahead and play the video. Testing the speaker and the microphone and the video quality of this LM08 smartwatch. So the microphone is quite good and the speaker volume level is also good. Talking about the cameras, instead of having a camera at the back, I would have preferred a camera at the front like we had in the BTS smartwatch I reviewed earlier. So using the camera you can also take many other advantages. For example, currently I'm on a video call with my other device, and overall the experience is working quite well. You can also tap here if you want to switch the cameras. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. This clip is taken from the full review. If you're interested in knowing about the rest of the features, find the full review linked in the description box below, where you can also find its purchase link. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one.